Cement is a fundamental binder material that forms the backbone of modern construction. Understanding its composition and various types is essential for selecting the right cement for specific applications. Cement is defined as a hydraulic binder that hardens and sets when mixed with water. It acts as the glue that binds aggregates together to form concrete, making it indispensable in construction projects worldwide. The fundamental composition of cement consists of four key chemical compounds. These compounds determine the cement's properties and behavior during hydration and hardening. Based on composition and manufacturing processes, cement is classified into several types. Each type is designed for specific applications and environmental conditions. Beyond the main types, specialized cements include white cement for architectural applications and colored cements for decorative purposes. These maintain similar chemical properties while offering aesthetic advantages. The specific composition and manufacturing process of each cement type directly determine its properties and suitability for different applications. Understanding this relationship is crucial for selecting the appropriate cement for any construction project. Ordinary Portland cement, or OPC, is the most widely used type of cement worldwide. Understanding its manufacturing process and properties is essential for construction engineering. The manufacturing of OPC involves several critical steps, starting with the extraction of raw materials and ending with the final grinding process. First, raw materials are quarried from the earth. The primary materials are limestone, which provides calcium carbonate, and clay or shale, which supplies silica and alumina. The quarried materials are then crushed into smaller pieces and ground into a fine powder. This increases the surface area for better mixing and chemical reactions. The ground materials are mixed in precise proportions and fed into a rotary kiln. The kiln operates at extremely high temperatures, around 1450 degrees Celsius, causing chemical reactions that form clinker. The hot clinker is rapidly cooled and then ground with a small amount of gypsum. The gypsum controls the setting time of the cement. This final grinding produces the fine powder we know as ordinary Portland cement. OPC has several critical properties that determine its performance in concrete applications. These properties are carefully controlled during manufacturing and testing. Fineness refers to the particle size of cement. Finer cement has greater surface area, leading to faster hydration and higher early strength development. Setting time includes initial set, when cement begins to harden, and final set, when it reaches sufficient strength. Typical initial setting time is 30 minutes, and final setting time is 10 hours. Compressive strength is the most important property, measuring cement's ability to withstand loads. OPC typically achieves 53 megapascals at 28 days, making it suitable for most construction applications. Soundness ensures the cement doesn't expand excessively after setting, preventing cracks. Heat of hydration refers to the heat released during the chemical reaction with water, which must be controlled in large concrete pores. These properties work together to determine OPC's performance in concrete. Proper fineness and setting time ensure workability, while high compressive strength and soundness provide durability and structural integrity for construction projects. Specialized cement types are engineered to meet specific construction requirements. Each type has unique properties that make it ideal for particular applications and environmental conditions. Rapid hardening cement achieves high early strength through finer grinding and optimized chemical composition. It reaches in 1 day what ordinary cement achieves in 3 days. This makes rapid hardening cement ideal for emergency repairs, precast concrete production, and projects with tight construction schedules where early form removal is essential. Low-heat cement generates significantly less heat during hydration. This prevents thermal cracking in massive concrete structures like dams and foundations, where heat buildup can cause structural problems. Low-heat cement is essential for mass concrete construction, including dams, bridge piers, and large foundations where thermal cracking must be prevented to ensure structural integrity. Sulfate-resisting cement contains reduced aluminate content, making it highly resistant to sulfate attack. This is crucial in marine environments and soils with high sulfate concentrations. This cement type is essential for marine structures, sewage treatment plants, and construction in sulfate-rich soils where ordinary cement would deteriorate rapidly. White cement and colored cement serve primarily aesthetic purposes. White cement uses iron-free raw materials to achieve its pure white color, while colored cement incorporates pigments for architectural applications. These specialized cements are used in decorative concrete, architectural facades, terrazzo flooring, and artistic concrete applications, where appearance is as important as structural performance. Each specialized cement type addresses specific engineering challenges, from rapid construction needs to extreme environmental conditions, ensuring optimal performance in diverse applications. Cement testing and quality control are critical processes that ensure cement meets required specifications and standards. These tests verify the physical and chemical properties that determine cement performance in concrete structures. Fineness testing measures the particle size distribution of cement, which directly affects hydration rate and strength development. Two primary methods are used: sieve analysis and air permeability testing. Setting time testing determines how quickly cement paste hardens. The VICAT apparatus measures both initial and final setting times, which are crucial for construction scheduling and workability requirements. Soundness testing evaluates cement's volume stability after setting. The Le Chatelier apparatus detects harmful expansion that could cause cracking in concrete structures due to delayed hydration of free lime or magnesia. Compressive strength testing is the most important quality parameter for cement. Standard mortar cubes are prepared with specific cement-to-sand ratios and tested at various ages to determine strength development characteristics. Quality control through systematic testing ensures cement meets international standards like ASTM and IS codes. This verification process is essential for structural safety, durability, and performance of concrete construction projects.